EA1000TOR Rental Outdoor Transparent LED Screen is a high-performance display device designed for the rental market. With its unique light transmittance and superior protection performance, it is widely used in various outdoor scenes. Its light transmittance is as high as 70%. EA1000TOR is very easy to install and adopts a standard 1000 by 500 mm size design to ensure that the modular splicing of the screen can be completed quickly and accurately. In terms of protection performance, the EA1000TOR Outdoor Transparent LED Screen has reached the IP65 waterproof and dustproof level, which means that it can effectively resist the invasion of harsh environmental factors such as rain and dust. In addition, the EA1000TOR uses high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing processes, which not only improves the durability of the screen, but also ensures its reliability in high-frequency use. For the rental market that requires frequent installation, disassembly, and transportation, this LED screen is undoubtedly an ideal choice. Its lightweight design makes transportation and installation faster, reducing manpower and time costs, while its high light transmittance and excellent protection performance ensure excellent display effects in various environments.